A pre-owned 2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty Platinum. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine with four-wheel drive and a transmission. This Ford has less than 147,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include skid plate package, air filtration, front air conditioning, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, stability control, traction control, and cruise control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.